I bought it at the Goodwill. Maybe it's broken. Pull the lever to magically turn tree lights on and off with a light and sound show from up to 50 feet away. All right, go. Do it.
What?
Yeah, it went on. It totally worked. Indoor decorative use only. Decorative. Not a toy. Kind of looks like one.
Yeah.
Choose music or silent mode. Lights will turn on, off either way. All right, let's fix it.